Welcome sa 90 Day Smart Fit System webinar kung saan ituturo ko sa inyo yung step-by-step blueprint for permanent fat loss, muscle gain, and achieving your dream physique in 90 days or less, even with a busy life. Without further ado, let's go. Now, what is your number one fitness goal right now? Is it to have abs, to be lean, or just to be regularly fit? Okay, I don't know what your dream is or your goal is. Nasa sa'yo yan. Now, what is your single biggest challenge when it comes to getting your dream physique? Is it by dieting, sa workouts, or hindi mo lang talaga alam saan mag-start kasi sobrang daming overwhelming information online? I know, I've been there. Now, what if there was a way for you to get fit all while eating the foods you love? Pizza, burger, donuts, or even ice cream. I love those. Spend less time working out, mapa-gym man, or home workout. Stop spending money on useless supplements, and you get to keep your current lifestyle all while doing everything. Napakaganda, di ba? Before we proceed, I have two simple requests lang. Switch your cell phone into do not disturb mode or mute your notifications and give me your undivided attention for the next few minutes. Okay lang ba? Alright. My goal for you in this free training is to get your dream physique nang hindi mo pinapatay sa gutom yung sarili mo o kahit busy ka pa. Game ba? Alright, let's go. Is it okay if I share a little about my fitness journey para at least alam nyo how I started as well? Okay, who is Enver Florendo, the man behind SmartFit? I was this kid. I was very insecure, I had zero confidence, and palagi ako nabubuli kasi ako yung weak link sa grupo, ako yung payatot, and I felt like I did not fit in. Ginamit ko ang mga factors na yan to motivate me. Paiba-iba akong mga sinusunod sa internet, jumping from one program to the other. Kasi sobrang daming information, di ba? Ang nangyari, I achieved the typical skinny fat physique. Eto nangyari. Oh, yeah, I gained a little bit of muscle, pero I wasn't satisfied with how I looked and felt. Sinasabihan ako ng friends nung, akala ko nag-gym ka. Sobrang sakit nun, di ba? Nag-gym ka, pero hindi kita sa katawan mo, hindi kita sa results. I continued to work out with no definite program to follow. And here's what happened. I got stronger and gained more muscle mass, pero I gained a lot of unnecessary fat. I felt more insecure because my stomach was getting bigger. Now, I decided enough was enough. Ayoko na inconsistent results sa fitness ko, and I was tired of wasting hours in the gym. Eto yung ginawa ko. I invested in multiple fitness program, studied that worked for me and did not. Continuously spent hours of research to make the perfect program, experimented on myself to try everything, 4+ years of trial and error. And finally, after 5 years sa trial and error, nagpag-eksperimento sa sarili ko, I became the best version of myself. After years of hard work and investing in fitness programs, I stumbled upon a proven system that allowed me to become the best version of myself, even if I still eat the foods I love. I do 3 to 4 simple workouts per week. I did little to no cardio at all. I get to keep my current lifestyle. And I was not using any anabolic steroids or performance-enhancing drugs. And that's the exact system I'm going to share with you in this webinar. Are you ready to transform? Alright. The 90-day SmartFit system, again, dito na lahat yung kailangan mong malaman in terms of starting your fitness journey, mapa-beginner man or my experience. Now, alam mo yung best part? You don't need fancy and expensive equipments, endless hours in the gym, and follow a restrictive diet. You just need to understand these 3 secrets that make fitness finally click. Now, secret number 1, how to get fit without spending hours in the gym. Una-una, low volume and high impact workouts. Now, let me explain. Contrary to popular belief kasi, you don't need to spend countless of hours lifting weights and doing cardio. You only have to work out 3 to 4 times a week for 45 minutes. That's already enough. Now, follow this smart workout formula if wala ka pang staple workout plan. It's either 3 times a week workout schedule or 4 times a week workout schedule. Okay? I don't really recommend doing 5, 6, or even 7 times a week, especially for people who's doing this fitness thing as a lifestyle thing only. Because for sure, meron ka ring responsibilities na ginagawa aside from being fit, di ba? May trabaho ka, inaasikaso mo yung pamilya mo, or you have other responsibilities. Now, example na 3 times a week workout schedule, Monday, Wednesday, Friday or MWF workout. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday, rest day siya. So, you don't have to follow the schedule. Just make sure you work out every other day. So, pwede Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday. Make sure you just work out every other day. And the rest of the days a week, you rest. 4 times a week workout schedule. Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, Friday yung workout. Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday yung rest. So, bali, 2 workout days, isang rest, and another 2 workout days, and dalawang rest. Again, you don't have to follow the schedule. Just make sure you don't work out 3 days in a row. Now, ito yung sample workout plan sa 3 times a week and 4 times a week for you to effectively do sa workouts mo so you can progress without doing countless of hours in the gym. Una-una, sample is Monday, workout A is chest, back, and abs. Wednesday, workout B, legs and arms. Thursday, rest. Tuesday, rest. Saturday, Sunday, rest. So basically, ang gagawin mo dito is for the following week, alternate by doing BAB. And the next week after that, ABA. So gagawin mo, workout A. For first week, A, B, A. For the following week, B, A, B. So parang ganun lang, ABA, BAB. This time, you can hit the muscle groups twice a week for maximum muscle growth and hypertrophy. 4 times a week workout plan naman if you have some time to spare. Okay, Monday is upper body. Tuesday is lower body. Wednesday, rest. Thursday naman again, upper body ulit. And Friday, lower body. Saturday, Sunday, rest. So, bale, napaka-straightforward lang ng 4 times a week workout plan. Bale, upper, lower, rest, upper, lower, rest, rest. And then you do it the following week again. Now, here are some of my 3-week workout transformations sa clients ko. We have Simon here. Imagine mo 3 times a week lang and it is 1 month progress. Ollie, okay, he is a dentist. 4 months progress, 3 times a week lang din nagwo-workout. Ito si Abby is a freelancer, 2 months progress. And si Rachel, 4 months progress. Actually, she is my client all the way from Taiwan, OFW siya. And 3 times a week pero home workout lang. Napakalupit ng transformation niya. Here are some of the client testimonials. Hi, Coach Enver. Thank you sobrang solid na binigay mong program sa akin. Kahit 3 times a week lang yung kaya kong gawin. Pero napaka-solid ng result na nangyari sa katawan ko. Maraming salamat po, Coach. Again, you don't need to spend 5, 6, 7 days a week workouts for you to get solid results. Here are some of my 4-week workout transformation sa clients ko. Okay? We have Jahari here. He is a real estate broker. 3 months progress. Imagine mo how busy a broker is. Eto si Eduardo naman, 3 months progress. He is a doctor as well. Napaka-busy, but we were able to have this result. So 4-week workout transformation namin. So we have Michelle here, 3 months progress, before and after. And we have Jonah, 4 months progress. Okay? Again, you don't have to work out or kill yourself sa gym to get results. 3 to 4 times a week, it's already enough. Now, some client testimonial from Michelle. Hi, Coach Enver. I just want to say thank you sobra sa program mo. Back then, I was working out 5 to 6 times a week. Grabe yung burnout ko. Pero dito, 4 times a week lang. Pero mas solid yung nakikita kong results. Couldn't have done this without your program. Okay? Secret number 1 lesson. You don't have to spend countless of hours workout every single day for you to get fit. You just need a short yet impactful program. Secret number 2. Okay? Again, secret number 1, di mo kailangan patayin yung sarili mo sa workouts. You only have to follow a simple yet effective workout regime. Let's proceed to secret number 2. How to diet flexibly even on a tight budget. Now, for sure, everyone here is on a budget. Okay? We don't want to spend a lot of money, especially sa fitness natin. Although it's an investment, but we want to save as much money as possible. So here's my tip for you. Contrary to popular belief again, you don't need to buy expensive protein powders or even supplements to lose fat and build muscle. Ako personally, I don't really recommend a lot of supplements sa clients ko. I just make sure to teach them the fundamentals sa workout and nutrition. Supplements, they can come after and they are optional. Again, you don't need to spend a lot just to eat healthy. You don't have to give up your favorite foods completely. Pwede ka parang kumain ng donut, ice cream, or naman yung mga cravings mo. You only need to know the framework of flexible dieting and proper grocery selection. Now, let's analyze the typical Filipino diet. So, a traditional Filipino diet consists of, sa protein, merong fish like tilapia, bangus, pork, chicken, eggs. Carbs naman, main staple natin, rice, di ba? Noodles, bread, root crops like kamote or gabi. Fats, napaka-common, cooking oil, vegetable palm oil, coconut oil, fatty meals, and dairy. Veggies naman, malunggay, pechay, kangkong, sayote, and fruits, di ba? Ito yung mga common traditional foods na nakikita sa Filipino diet. Now, here is the common issue sa Filipino diet. Napakataas ng rice consumption without enough protein and fiber, and too much fried and processed foods tayo, di ba? And we sometimes lack vegetables in most meals. Now, here is a sample quick fix on your meals. Okay? You can follow this meal plan para may healthier alternative ka with lower calories for you not to gain excessive amounts of fat. Typical meal, for example, tawag dito, this is very calorie dense and low in nutrients. Like, yung typical breakfast, di ba? Itong beef tapa, tocino, longganisa, isang egg, isang cup ng rice. Total calories is 850 calories. That much calories sa breakfast alone. Pero here is a healthy alternative. Okay? Tapsilog with a twist. Okay, you can screenshot this, you can follow this recipe. And kung i-compare mo, di ba? 600 calories lang, itong healthier alternative. And what's better is that it's less in fat, lower calorie count, and more fiber from vegetables and higher protein compared sa typical tapsilog meal. Next one, we have, eto, for sure, paborito nyo to. Lechon kawali meal, di ba? Deep fried pork belly. So, typical, siyempre, imposible isang rice lang. Dalawang rice most of the time. No vegetables most of the time. Total calories na isang meal, roughly 1,100 calories. That much calories. That's why you are not losing any weight. Kasi nga, panay kain ka ng lechon kawali. I'm just kidding. Now, here's the healthier and balanced alternative sa lechon kawali. Leaner pork cuts. Again, you can screenshot this if you want to try it out. And yung recipe na to, it's almost half the calories compared sa typical lechon kawali meal. And it cuts down the unnecessary fat while keeping the crispy texture with an air fry plus added fiber. Again, ito yung sample na healthier and balanced alternative sa lechon kawali meal. Okay, another one. Ito. For sure, go-to natin tong snack. Okay? Pansit Canton, isang hotdog, isang egg. Okay, mga midnight snack dyan. Sino bang guilty dyan? Total macros, 700 calories. Pero after 30 minutes or after an hour, gugutumin ka agad. But here is a healthier and balanced alternative. Isang serving of fresh egg noodles. Again, you can screenshot this. Difference niya is 500 calories only. Plus, it's less fat, less processed ingredients, while keeping a savory noodle meal. Okay? Again, you really don't have to give up the foods you love. Kailangan mo lang talaga malaman is yung parang healthier and balanced alternative to our traditional Filipino meals. Okay? Now, here is how to have a balanced meal in one plate. So, for example, okay? May plato ka, kakain ka. Here is the way paano mo maa-eyeball yung nasa plate mo kung balanced meal siya or hindi. So, a balanced meal consists of this one. At least 70% ng nasa plate mo must consist of lean protein sources. Pwedeng lean pork, beef, chicken breast, or eggs. Depende. 15% dun can come from carbs. And another 15% from fruits and vegetables. I promise you, if you just follow this visually sa plate mo, you continue to eat this kahit hindi ka mag-track ng pagkain mo, it will very be difficult for you to gain fat, unnecessary fat, and to overeat if you follow this portioning na to. Okay, If you want to track naman, here is a way to maximize your dieting process using this app. So may tinatawag tayong MyFitnessPal app kung saan pwede mong ma-download sa cellphone mo. Now, etong MyFitnessPal is dito mo matatrack lahat ng kinakain mo para accurate at accountable tayo sa calories na kinakain natin. Now, how does tracking your food help your diet? Okay, here's why. I don't know if you're familiar with my page, but eto yung pinaka-principle kung bakit ako nagtatrack ng pagkain ko. What gets tracked gets measured. What gets measured gets improved. Now, if you look at this picture visually, you can see sa left and right, they're both 1 cup, di ba? Kung eyeballin lang natin. Pero, if titimbangin natin sila, okay, they're both 1 cup, pero yung nasa left side, 156 grams of brown rice. Nasa right side, 113 grams lang. Yung difference nila sa left side contains 231 calories, sa right side contains only 167 calories, and that's only for 1 cup. Now, imagine mo, 3 meals ka. For sure, hindi naman lang rin 1 cup yung kinakain mo per meal. Sa rice pa lang yan. Hindi mo na tatrack na maayos yung calories mo. How about yung pagkain na prepare mo sa rice? Yung liquid calories mo, di ba? All of those untracked calories will pile up over time, and yun yung nangyayari kung bakit nagtataka ka, bakit coach hindi ako naglo-lose ng weight? It's because you're not tracking your food. Parang pera lang yan. Okay? Counting your calories is like managing your budget. Kapag na-manage mo yung calories na pumapasok sa bibig mo, okay, you can either lose weight or gain weight, depende sa goal mo. Kasi dito naman, like sa pera, for example, sa pera, di ba? If you don't manage your money well, mahihirapan ka talaga. Staple grocery list. Okay, you can take a screenshot dito sa staple grocery list natin. Ito sa protein, ito sa greens or sa vegetables, ito naman sa carbs, and ito naman sa fats. Okay, I'll give you 3 seconds to screenshot. This way, kapag nag-grocery ka, hindi ka na mahirapan kung ano yung essentials na bibilin mo. Okay? Okay na ba? Alright, let's proceed. Now, flexible dieting testimonials using SmartFit protocols. Sabi dito, Coach, sobrang solid na SmartFit program. Di ko akalaing kaya palang kumain ng kahit anong gusto mo basta pasok sa calories at protein. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-diet na nakapag-donut, pizza, or any fast food na gusto ko. Ang laki ng naitulong sa akin ng flexible dieting. Natutunan ko maging mindful sa pagkain without feeling restricted. Now I'm losing fat while still enjoying my favorite food. Best decision ever. Now, ito pa. Yo, coach, just letting you know, sobrang grateful ako sa SmartFit program. Di ko na-imagine na pwede palang magka-abs kahit kumakain ng ice cream. Nag-enjoy ako sa diet while losing fat. Again, you don't have to give up the foods you love. You only need to know the framework on how you can play with your food. That is secret number 2. Secret number 3, kung saan, siguro ito yung part kung saan nagkakatalo na magpo-proceed or magko-continue isang tao sa fitness journey nila or hindi. And this is how to stay consistent even if you are not motivated. Now, achieving your dream physique or dream body in 90 days is possible if you follow a step-by-step system designed for busy people. Okay, if you are a busy individual, if you are a busy professional, businessman, student, I don't care who you are, if you're busy but you want to sneak in your fitness life na maging accountable ka at maging okay siya and you can still get fit without sacrificing your time, schedule, and lifestyle, this system is for you. Now, the problem why most people fail at fitness is because they rely on motivation. Try random workout programs they see sa internet and they follow diets that are impossible to sustain. Now, eto yung solution dyan. The SmartFit system, a simple, structured blueprint to follow on what to eat and how to train smart. Framework on how to stay consistent and execute the plan even with a hectic schedule. Now, in this short time sa webinar, secret number 1, naturo ko sa inyo how to get fit without spending hours in the gym. Secret number 2, how to hit your nutrition goals even while you are on a tight budget. And secret number 3, how to stay consistent even when you are not motivated. Now, You might say sa utak mo, okay coach, I am ready to commit. Pero, I tried this fitness thing before, but it never worked for me. Wala akong experience, coach. I don't know how to start. Or what if I fail? Baka pagtawanan ako. I'm too old and I don't have energy for this. Or, coach, baka ma-overrun ako given my current schedule. Or di ko kaya bitawan ang mga pagkain na gusto ko. Now, in the first place, why do we have limiting beliefs? Una-una is that defense mechanism against potential disappointments, failure, and frustration. That's why we have limiting beliefs sa utak natin. Pangalawa is standards imposed by society that generate limiting beliefs. Now, coach, how do we remove these limiting beliefs para maka-level up ako sa fitness journey ko so I can be the best version of myself? Here are 2 rules to overcome limiting beliefs. Unang-una, rule number 1 is gain small wins. So, paano ba to? Sa gain small wins, you will slightly change how you do your habits over time on a daily basis. So, anong gagawin mo? Minimize unnecessary snacking or liquid calories. Replace a 30-minute episode of Netflix to 30 minutes of walking. Do simple workouts at least 3 times a week. And take the stairs instead of using the elevator. Now, if you do these small changes over time, makakarinig ka ng compliments. Uy, parang lumiit ka. Uy, may jawline ka pala. Ngayon ko lang nakita yan ah. Kasya na yung medium size sa'yo. Wow! Blooming ka this past few days ah. Anong sekreto mo? Dami mo ng energy ngayon na. Okay? If you accumulate small wins, you gain affirmations from other people. And when you gain affirmations from other people, you get excited and you get motivated. And when you do get excited and motivated, you produce momentum. And when you produce momentum, you still accumulate small wins and magiging cycle to siya hanggang sa ma-achieve mo yung dream physique mo. Again, rule number 1 is gain small wins. Rule number 2 is shift your identity. Now, how important is shifting my identity, coach? Okay? Sino may kilala dito? Okay, if you don't know him, this is Tony Robbins. Tony Robbins is a motivational speaker and best-selling author. Kung hindi niyo alam, guys, $1 million ang talent fee ni Tony Robbins for one day. And this was his 2018 rate. Now, how much more ngayon 2025? Magkano yung rate niya? But, eto yung core principles ni Tony Robbins on how you can shift your identity to achieve your dream physique. 3 things galing sa kanya on how changing your identity can help you get what you want. Una-una, identity defines your behavior. Pangalawa, aligning your actions with your new identity. And pangatlo, consistency and repetition. Now, una-una, shifting your identity defines your behavior. Okay, for example, old identity natin, or yung belief system natin. Coach, I don't have energy to pursue my fitness goals. Or coach, I'm too young or too old to pursue my fitness goals. Or coach, I failed in my fitness journey before. Maybe that's not for me. Or coach, I'm too busy to insert my fitness goals in my schedule. Or I don't have enough experience with this fitness thing. I have a problem with being consistent. Sino bang natamaan sa isa sa mga sentences dito? Okay? Now, i-ekis natin yan and we will shift to our newfound identity. Itong gagawin nyo. Ito iisipin nyo. By taking care of my fitness, I will have more energy. I'm young, so I have a lot of potential. I'm older, the more reason to stay fit and healthy. Failing is a learning process. Therefore, I will use that as a tool to improve. I will sort out my schedule and make fitness my priority. Everything can be learned. I will be willing to do whatever it takes. I understand where I fail some days. What matters is I get back on track. Now, instead sa old identity or old belief systems natin, we just slightly change them sa new identity or new mindset shifts. And when you do have this new identity, syempre, number 2, i-align natin yung actions natin sa bago nating identity. Kasi hindi pwede, bago na yung mindset mo, pero hindi nakita sa actions mo. Dapat align silang dalawa. Now, when you do have this new identity, dito sa nakalagay, syempre i-align mo sa actions mo. So, paano mo i-align sa actions mo? You must have a fixed schedule for workouts or other physical activities. Isi-schedule mo talaga yan. You find a mentor or accountability partner to help you stay on track. Be conscious with the foods or drinks I consume and track them, okay? Or make sure to get your workouts or physical activities in before leisure time. Now, if you shift your identity, if you change your identity and you align your actions with your new identity, and you do this by consistency and repetition, you will change your identity definitely. Again, from I can't mindset, X natin yan, into I will mindset. Now, let me ask you a question. We've been talking about how to get your dream physique for the past, 30 minutes. But if you could have the exact system that my clients use to get these transformations, just like Michelle, a businesswoman, 3 months progress, is it okay if I tell you more about it? Now, I've put together a complete step-by-step system that takes all the guesswork out of the fitness. Okay, hindi ka na maghuhula kung anong gagawin mo. So you can get your dream body in just 90 days. Here's everything you'll get when you join the 90-Day SmartFit Challenge. Una-una is the 90-Day SmartFit Blueprint with 15,000 pesos value. Okay, hindi to yung babayaran mo, yung value lang niya according sa market price. Now, ano nga ba yung 90-Day SmartFit system? Laman dito is this your complete step-by-step workout and nutrition guide that will show you exactly what to do for the next 90 days. No more confusion, no more trial and error, just follow the plan and you will see results. It's designed for people who want to see real results but don't have hours to spend in the gym. Nung makuha mo, una-una is a simple structured plan, just follow steps and you'll get results. Pangalawa, clear, easy to follow videos, may video course tayo, so you will know exactly what to do. Pangatlo, science-backed method that actually work. No fads, no guesswork. Again, the 90-Day SmartFit Blueprint valued at 50,000 pesos, the exact step-by-step roadmap to achieving your dream body in 90 days without wasting time on things that don't work. Now, you might be asking, Coach, will this really work for you? Eto may bulking client of 3 months, okay? Nag-bulk siya, he gained weight and still looked better than his previous physique. That's crazy. Now, here's everything you'll get again when you join the 90-Day SmartFit Challenge. Una-una is yung 90-Day SmartFit Blueprint. Pangalawa, done-for-you meal plans and grocery list. 5,000 pesos value. Now, we removed all the stress of figuring out what to eat. Just follow a ready-made meal plans and grocery list. No more worrying about what's healthy or what's allowed. Most people fail at dieting because maybe it's too complicated. They spend their energy in avoiding their favorite foods or following unrealistic diet rules. Like, for example, walang rice, walang carbs, okay, napakahirap nun. That's no fun at all. But let's be real, you cannot live like that forever. Goal natin is sustainability because if sustainable yung program mo, you can better adhere to it, and if you can adhere to it long term, you will see results. That's why I've made this easy for you. Okay, I've done all the work for you. Una-una is daily meal plans. Just follow them, no overthinking needed. Pangalawa, grocery list. Walk into the store, grab what's on the list, and you're out. Balanced and satisfying meals so you never feel deprived or hungry ever again. Now, again, done for you meal plans, groceries, 5,000 pesos value. With this, you'll never have to worry about your diet ever again. Just eat the meals, enjoy the process, and watch your body transform. Will this work for you? Again, meron freelancer si Abby, 2 months progress niya. Again, third one is time-saving workout routines. Okay, this workout is specially designed for busy professionals like you. No more spending 2 hours in the gym. With just 90 minutes or less, you'll build muscle, burn fat, and transform your body. In short, get maximum results in minimum time so you can get fit without sacrificing your current schedule or lifestyle. Not everyone has to spend 2+ hours in the gym every day. You've got work, family, responsibilities. That doesn't mean you can't get in shape. That's why I created a short, efficient, high-impact workout routines designed specifically for people who don't have time to waste. Una-una, no long, boring workouts, just 19 minutes or less in a day a few times per week. Number 2, proven methods for burning fat and building muscle fast. Lastly, designed for all fitness levels, so whether you're a beginner or already active, you'll get results. Again, time-saving workout routines natin valued at 5,000 pesos. Will this really work for you? Eto si Finnegan, 3 months progress siya or 90 days. Okay? He was cutting. Here's everything again. Una-una is the 90-Day SmartFit Blueprint system. Okay? Done for you meal plans and grocery list at 5,000 value. Time-saving workout routines, 5,000 value. Private support group and accountability system at 10,000 pesos value. Now, this is where the real magic happens. You'll get access to private group natin where you can ask me questions and connect with other individuals and get the support you need to stay consistent. We'll celebrate your wins, keep you accountable, and make sure you succeed. It's easy to start strong, di ba? But what happens when you feel unmotivated? You hit a plateau or stuck ka na, or you feel like giving up? Again, sa private support and group system natin or accountability system, you can stay on track with a group of like-minded people who will push you to succeed. Will this really work for you? Again, meron tayo dito progress si Mariel. 3 months progress. Grabe. Ito si Reggie din. 2 months progress. Now, ito si Mariel, she is a celebrity. Pinatakpan lang mukha kasi medyo shy siya. And Reggie here is a real estate salesperson. So, you can really tell they are busy individuals. Now, again, ito yung mga kuha mo when you join the 90-day Smart Fit Challenge. Again, this is just the value. Hindi to yung babayar mo mismo. Next one is may bonus tayo. Progress, tracking, tools, and checklist. Okay? Tracking your progress is the key to success. That's why we're giving you the exact tracking tools and checklist I use to measure results and stay on track. With these, you'll always know what's working and what to improve, di ba? So if you ever felt like working hard but not seeing results, that's because if you don't track your progress, you won't know what's working. Okay, again, data is everything. Progress tracking tools and checklist. Again, anong benefits nito? These tools will help you unang-una see your improvements week by week so you stay motivated. Pangalawa, track fat loss, muscle gain, and strength progress so you know exactly what's happening. And lastly, stay consistent and never fall off track. Again, eto yung matatanggap mo when you join the 90-day Smart Fit Challenge. Total value, kung i-compute natin, 38,000 pesos. Coach, 38,000 pesos babayaran namin? Hindi. Kalma ka lang. You're not going to pay 38,000 pesos. But let me ask you a question before we proceed. When was the last time you spent 38,000 pesos and it changed your life? Ako, nung bumili ako sa cellphone ko, iPhone 15 Pro Max, I spent siguro more than 50K or mga ganong price range. Naging excited ako. But after a week or two, after a month, parang nawala lang, ganun. Never really changed my life. And I spent more than 38,000 pesos. Shoes, bags, gadget. After a week, after a month, it never really changed my life. Di ba? Or possible travel, pwede yun. But all of these material things that you see in this world can get you a short glimpse of happiness, but it can never really change your life. Again, you're not going to pay 38,000 pesos. And you're not even going to pay 20,000 pesos because I want to make this an absolute no-brainer for you. So for a limited time only, okay, you can get the entire 90-day Smart Fit system for 2,995 pesos. One-time payment only. That's less than 34 pesos per day, cheaper than your daily coffee, yet it will change your body and your life. Now, let me ask you this. If all of the system did get you to lose that stubborn belly fat and finally help you gain muscle without adding unnecessary fat for good, would it be worth it? Kung na-achieve mo to. Let me ask you another question. And if this will help you achieve your dream body 3 times faster, all while enjoying your current lifestyle, still eat the foods you love, spend minimal time working out, and more personal time, would it be worth it for you? And let me ask you another question. What if this program will finally help you break through your self-doubts and you finally get to be the best version of yourself? Would it be worth it? Now, again, join the 90-day Smart Fit Challenge only for 2,995, 34 pesos per day. Ganun siya kamura. You only have 3 options after this webinar, after this training. Una-una, just option number 1, stay there and take no action, which most likely indicates that you're already happy with the way your physique appears, or you're in your best shape already. Or perhaps you're content to avoid meals you enjoy and work out every single day in order for you to get your ideal body. But for sure, if you're watching this right now, you are not happy or content with your physique. Pangalawa, Option number two is do it yourself. Now, you try to figure out it on your own. You try to achieve progressive overload, figure out the optimal training frequency without any expert guidance. If you choose this, you cannot be sure that you will succeed. It will likely take you a year or 2 years to put everything together and perhaps dedicate an additional year to designing a regimen that will reduce your gym attendance in half while improving your body without having to eat restrictive diets. Sa akin nga, yung trial and error ko 4 plus years. So, if you wanna do it yourself, pwede din. Pero option number 3 is join the 90 Day Smart Fit Challenge. I've put together a complete step-by-step system that takes all the guesswork out of fitness. Hindi ka na maghuhula-hula. So you can get your dream body in just 90 days. You can finally stop guessing, stop struggling, and start getting real results. Again, join the 90 Day Smart Fit Challenge for only $2,995. If you're still having doubts, okay, you are protected by my 30-day money-back guarantee. If you follow the protocol, okay, all the rewards to you with zero risk. My team and I are genuinely interested in guiding you to be the best version of yourself. Should the program fail to meet your expectations and not work for you, kahit sinunod mo yung protocols at walang nangyayaring progress, I offer a 100-day, 30-day money-back guarantee. You keep the program, I refund the money, we part ways as friends. That sound fair enough. Again, will this really work for you? We have a busy employee here, 3 months progress, engineer to guys. But he was able to achieve this progress in 3 months. Again, doctor, 3 months. Alam nyo naman, mga doctors, may mga tropa akong doctors, yung shift nila 12 hours, 15 hours, minsan 36 hours. But he was still able to get this result. Meron tayong real estate broker who's always out in the field, 4 months progress, he was able to achieve this physique. May student tayo, bulking, 1 year progress. Meron tayong OFW all the way from, I think Canada to Gikan si Mark. 4 months progress. And again, we have another OFW from Taiwan, home workout lang, which is Rachel, 4 months progress. Again, si Michelle, 3 months progress. We have another teacher, si Paulo, 1 month progress. Home workout lang to. And also a hard gainer. If you think you're a hard gainer, 2 years progress. Ito yung progress niya. Again, join the 90 Day Smart Fit Challenge for just $2,995. One-time payment, lifetime access, 30-day money-back guarantee. Ito yung mga frequently asked questions before we end the webinar or the training. Coach, why am I seeing little to no results despite being consistent with my workouts for 4 months? Now, usually sa clients ko, sa first month pa lang, sobrang laki ng difference ng progress nila. If you are not seeing results in 4 months, kahit consistent ka, I bet 100% you are doing something wrong. It's either sa workouts mo, sa nutrition mo, or the other variables sa fitness journey mo. Kaya nga, di ba, I will remove itong program na to, will remove all the trial and error and guesswork or yung mga hula-hula na gagawin mo. Gagawin mo lang, susundin mo lang yung blueprint. Again, if you have no results, kahit consistent ka for 4 months, there is definitely something wrong with how you structure your program. Pangalawang question. Coach, my biggest challenge is diet. What can I do to improve my diet? Now, here's where 80-20 rule comes in. I always teach this, hindi lang sa clients ko, but with my friends and my family. 80% ng kinakain mo must come from whole foods, and 20% must come from foods that you love to eat or you love to indulge. Ako, for example, sa 80% sa whole day ko, I mostly eat whole foods talaga. Like fruits, vegetables, lean protein sources. And the remaining 20% sa araw ko, na calories, naglalaan ako ng allowance for me to eat chocolates, ice cream, okay, or donuts. Paborito ko yan. And yes, you can do that. Always make sure na sustainable yung diet protocol mo. Kasi if hindi sustainable yung diet protocol mo, mahihirapan ka talaga in the long run. You will crash diet. Okay, yan yung mostly ginagawa ng mga nagka-crash diet. And when that happens, they crash diet for a week or 2 or even a month, and then yung hunger hormone nila tataas bigla, and then they reward themselves with a cheat day, and that cheat day turns into a cheat week, cheat month, hanggang sa nagiging yung conscience nila, parang hindi ko na kaya mag-diet, ang hirap pala. And then they just go back to square one. Another question. I'm unsure about what the foods I should take, coach. What budget-friendly foods can you give me na protein as I need as a beginner? So, napaka-simple. Cheap protein finds your eggs, canned tuna and sardines. I don't really recommend you eat canned tuna and sardines on a daily basis. But if you're on a budget, why not, di ba? Chicken breast. Depende sa lugar mo. But chicken breast is very, very affordable naman, and it's really, really high in protein, so you don't really need to get a lot of chicken breast just for you to eat your protein intake. But ako, usually, nung estudyante pa ako, yung staple ko talaga nung nagbabudget pa ako is eggs, canned tuna, sardines, canned tuna and canned sardines, and sa palengke, chicken breast. Ganun lang, paulit-ulit lang. So, due to lack of budget, coach, I can't afford the food I need to hit my calorie and protein intake daily. What can I do? Okay. Ito yung life hack na ginawa ko ng estudyante ako. Okay, wala kang budget, nahihirapan sa meal plan mo. Dati kasi, si mama, nung luluto siya, every single time, di ba, mostly Filipino foods, hindi naman ganun ka-high protein. Ginagawa ko is, I ask favor sa mama ko. Every time na namamalengke siya for pagkain namin, for example, dinner. Let's say, nilulutuin niyo, tatanungin ko siya, anong dinner natin? Sasabihin niya, let's say, tinulang manok. Siyempre, tinulang manok, diba, wings, drumstick, mga thigh, ganun. Bihira lang, chicken breast. So, sinasabi ko sa kanya, pwede bang dagdagan mo ng chicken breast? Ng maraming chicken breast. Yung bibilhin mong manok para sa tinula natin. Para pag nagluto na siya, at least, nakakain lahat, at may extra protein ako. Or let's say, for example, menudo, afritada, or mga pork na putahe. Sinasabi ko kay mama, what if yung lean protein source, o lean cuts sa pork yung kunin mo, hindi yung masyadong mataba. Okay, yung karne talaga. Para at least, pag niluto niya, medyo high protein yung kinakain ko. So, ganun lang, napaka-simple. Pwede kayo makisuyo, or sa karinderya, hanapin mo yung mga medyo lean na karne, or yung less fat talaga. Coach, next question. I lose motivation quickly after a week or two of consistency when I don't see results. How can I stay motivated? So, unang-una, do not rely on motivation. Bakit? Kasi motivation is a feeling, and feelings come and go. Instead, you should stick with discipline. Kasi if you are disciplined, you will take action even when you don't have motivation. Pero, ito yung deadly combo. Pag inad mo silang dalawa. Find a motivation for you to start something and then have the discipline to stay on track, stay consistent even when the odds are stacked against you. Okay? Huwag kang mag-rely sa motivation, but instead, focus on discipline. But it's best to combine them both. Pero dito naman, 1 to 2 weeks of consistency, if tama naman ang protocol mo, malabong-malabo na hindi ka makakita ng results talaga if sakto yung protocol mo. Again, thank you so much guys for watching this 90-day Smart Food System webinar blueprint natin. If you're interested sa 90-day challenge community natin, mag-enroll ka na. Click the link somewhere in this video or somewhere in this link or go message my page. So, good luck. See you inside.